Introduction. We get hurt while playing in playgrounds, and sometimes we are hurt when we are not careful. There are many things around us which can hurt us. Hence, to keep safe, we must follow safety rules. There are different types of safety rules at our homes, school, and road. Let us study about the types of safety rules of these places. Safety at home. 1. Stay away from the objects that can burn your hand. Do not play with the matchstick and burning candles. Do not touch hot irons and warm vessels in the kitchens. 2. Knives, scissors, blades, and needles have sharp edges. If not handled carefully, they can injure you. 3. Do not play with electrical wires or gadgets such as irons and toasters. 4. Stay away from gas stove, gas cylinders. 5. Don't open the bottles of the toilet cleaners. It has chemical that can harm you. 6. Do not put fingers in electric plugs. It will give an electric shock. 7. Never touch the mobile tablets and computers while charging with a wet hand, as it may give you an electric shock. Safety at school. 1. Don't run in the classroom. You may hurt yourself or your friend by the sharp edges of the desks. 2. Do not push others while leaving the classroom. 3. Be careful while climbing the stairs in the school. Also, do not push anybody on the stairs. 4. Never jump on the desks and chairs. You may get hurt. 5. Don't run too fast in the playground. You may fall down and hurt yourself. 6. Try to stay away from the chemicals and any inflammable objects in the school laboratories. Always try to follow the instructions of the lab teacher. Safety on the roads. 1. Be alert on the road while walking. 2. Keep your eyes and ears open while walking and crossing the roads. 3. Walk on the footpath or on the left side of the road. 4. Ride cycle on the left side of the road. Do not ride your bicycle on the busy road. 5. Obey the traffic rules. Use your hands to show signal while turning. Blow horns to warn people to make road clear for you. Follow the traffic signals. Never move at the red signal. Move when the signal turns green. 6. Do not drive too fast on the busy road, as it may lead to an accident. First aid. First aid is the first help given to an injured person in the time of immediate help. This help is given to an injured person before he or she can see a doctor. If the injured person is bleeding, wash the wound. Apply antiseptic such as Dettol or Savlon added to it. In case of a burn, put the affected part in cold water. If you hurt yourself while playing, put cold water or ice on the injured area. If there is a cut that is bleeding, take some cotton and hold it tight on the cut. It will stop bleeding. After giving first aid, take the injured person immediately to a doctor. If someone is injured seriously, do not panic. Call an adult immediately. Do not let people to crowd around the injured person or any patient. Remember, never try to give first aid to anybody if you have not learned how to do it. First aid box. We must have a first aid box at home and in school. A first aid box has cotton, bandage, plaster, a pair of scissors and some medicines, an antiseptic cream, and Dettol or Savlon. Emergency numbers. Ask your parents about the emergency phone numbers at the time of need. According to First Aid Society, keep the emergencies number of fire, police departments, as well as ambulance and hospitals. Some emergency numbers used are 101, 102, 103 and 108. Good or bad touch. At school and at playground, someone may touch you in a wrong way or in your private body part. So safety rule for touching is that no one should touch your private body parts. Remember, your body is yours only and no one has the right to touch it. If any stranger tries to touch, which is bad, then tell your parents or call on the emergency numbers.